Come back, girl. She'll tear you apart.
I'm here. I'm right here for you. Here, Phenomena. I'm Aritos. So, Phenomena, where exactly do you come from?
You belong to a different world. A more distant and beautiful one.
I'm getting on in years, Phenomena. I don't have the energy I used to. My little star. You never fail to surprise me.
My most beloved sister. My most intimate playmate.
My most adorable little one.
My most cherished child.
My most yearned for star.
This is probably our last conversation. If I were to put it in the terms of your civilization, yes. Or you could call me by another name. The universe. I once was. Now, I am its lingering echo. An echo composed of gravitational waves. You, or rather, a part of you, somewhere in your body, or deep within your mind, you are one of us. That's why you heard the ripples I left behind. I'm merely the echo of a universe that perished eons ago. And Phenomena, she's a piece of me, and perhaps my final child. When she left me, she had not yet awakened, like an infant in swaddling clothes. Her instincts allowed her to hear the gravitational waves that fill this universe, but she couldn't understand them. To her, they were immense, eternal, resounding, and unfamiliar sounds. Naturally, a child faced with such sounds would be scared. She had nothing but instinct, nothing but the ability to cry. As for your language, it was even more incomprehensible to her. What else could I do? All I could do was keep humming lullabies to her, hoping that she wouldn't be scared, and that someone would be kind to her, to my youngest child. Thankfully, she recognized my voice, like a baby recognizes its mother's. But my voice was far too faint. She could only hear it when it resonated with the voices of other children. Now, I'm fading away. Ripples on the sea can travel very, very far, but the surface always returns to stillness in the end. I've sung every lullaby I could for her. Soon, even this final ripple I stirred in space-time will vanish, and every trace that I ever existed will be erased as well. I'm worried. Will she be able to face your universe on her own after my demise? It's not that complicated. It was never a specific melody. Those young ones thought it was a certain frequency in their lullabies that resonated with my voice, but it wasn't. As you see, young one, how could a human voice possibly resonate with gravitational waves? That was never what resonated. Go now. Sing to her in my place and tell her something for me.
I always believed that whenever I turn around, she'll always be there by my side. Was I just too foolish? Only now do I realize nothing should ever be taken for granted. I didn't know what to do. I just didn't want to lose her. I wanted to hold on to her. But in the end, I couldn't hold on to anything. Eratos, I miss the honey you used to stash under your bed. I miss the hide-and-seek games we played. You said you liked it when I read you poems, but I never finished the last one. I just wanted to tell you. I miss you, Aratos. What's your name?
Eratos.
Logos, take Aratos to the medical academy for treatment. Make sure to get yourself checked too.
Sure, but what about Dane phenomena?
Let's not disturb Dean Phenomena for now. She needs some time alone. If there's anything you need to know or report, just come to me.